You want to do the intro?
What's up, guys? It's Mrs. Random Frank P.
Back with episode 131 of Room Tour Project, the series where we show off the best setups. And this episode is going to be a special laptop edition. We've had a lot of requests for this one, so I'm bringing it to you for you guys today. If you have any suggestions for future episode themes, drop a comment down below. If you see anything you like in this episode, I will have it all listed for you in the description down below so you can check it out. But let's start off episode 131. First up is Cade, and he knows all about keeping it simple here for his laptop setup, going with a nice solo monitor, nothing flashy or unnecessary on his desktop, all the essentials here. So starting off for his gear, that is a Dell Ultrasharp 34-inch curved monitor, the U3415W. And you can see his desk is the uplift desk here, which is one of those motorized sit and stand desks. Now checking out his peripherals, his keyboard is the Cooler Master CM Storm Quickfire Rapid Eye. Really like that clean and stealthy approach here. And the mouse is the SteelSeries Katana. And as for that mouse pad, that's something I haven't seen before. But you gotta respect it. And then for his audio, his speakers are the JBL LSR 305s, and those headphones are the Philips Fidelio X2. Again, he's matching everything here to this really clean and stealthy black theme. Now obviously, since this is a laptop edition, you're probably wondering what's powering everything. And his personal laptop here is this Dell XPS 13. It has a touchscreen. Inside's an i7-7820HQ CPU, got 16 gigs of RAM and 500 gigs of SSD space. But he also has his work laptop, which is a secondary MacBook Pro. It's a 2016 that has an i7-8550U CPU with 16 gigs of RAM as well. So he's rocking the dual laptop setup here. It does seem, though, judging by the pictures, that he is using his personal laptop, the Dell XPS, as a laptop to power this workstation, and that MacBook Pro is probably what he brings with him on the go. But altogether, I'm loving this little personal office space he's got going on. Really digging the whole aesthetic here. Definitely seems like a pretty chill space. Next is Kenneth, and this one's definitely more of a gaming theme or gaming related. You could see here RGB lights, got the figures around, the wallpaper, and he's definitely going with a nice blue color theme to help accent everything and make it all pop and glow. And his setup is all done on his custom-made DIY wooden desk. So again, for everybody who asks me to put the desk down below, I'm telling you guys, most times if it's not IKEA, it's a homemade desk like this one is. So for his display, he's actually using a nice little throwback here. I can appreciate this. This is actually a 24-inch Sony PlayStation TV. This launched right alongside the PS3 to be used with it, and I actually I had it for a bit, and it was awesome. So it's cool to see you using this. For the peripherals, again sticking to that blue color theme. For the keyboard, we got the Corsair Gaming K55 RGB keyboard, which is under $50, and the Corsair M65 Pro RGB mouse. And for the trifecta, you got the MM300 mousepad. So powering this laptop setup is his MSI Apache Pro. It's the GE726QD. It has listed. And as for specs, it features an i7 with a GTX 960M graphics card, and the keyboard is actually a SteelSeries RGB keyboard built into this. And then across the room, he has a nice little entertainment setup with a 40-inch TV there from Sony. Got a PS4 Pro, some pop figures, got that RGB underlighting to really help bring this gaming room together. But again, highlighted by this DIY desk setup here, powered all by that MSI laptop, doing some great things with the color matching, and I can appreciate everything. And I guess I forgot to mention those Logitech speakers. You got the Astro A50, looks like some Beats solos, and I can definitely dig that Diva figure, but you guys know the drill. It's all listed down below for you. Then we got Rabbit VR. This one definitely screams RGB, kind of the retro wallpaper going on. And a little bit of a grainy picture here, but you can understand what's going on. And this is the first one out of the lineup today that has the laptop as pretty much the primary display, because he has that secondary display right there off to the right side. And that is just, he doesn't even have it listed. He said it's just an old VGA monitor he had lying around, but it gets the job done. Now for the laptop here, there's another Dell XPS 13, and for the specs, it's an i7-8550U CPU inside with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of SSD space. So he has his laptop propped up on an Amazon Basics monitor riser, which is then also on an Amazon Basics laptop stand. So he's getting that elevation any way he can. And then for checking out the peripherals, his keyboard here is the Have It RGB keyboard. I showed this off a few years ago on a Top Tech Under 50 episode, a pretty cool kind of membrane keyboard with some flashy lights inside, and that is paired with an IMGUR, a wireless mouse. I haven't heard of that one before, and it's just on a basic little mouse pad. Then for audio, you can see mounted on the wall there are his Audio-Technica ATH M50X headphones, and drooped over that he has a pair of his JBL Bluetooth earbuds. And then for speakers, that thing right under the monitor riser is a JBL Flip Bluetooth speaker. Got that RGB light bulb inside his lamp to really reflect back onto the wall to give the whole room some color. Got that Nirvana poster, some greenery right out there on the window, little terrarium. Altogether, I'm digging this one for sure. I say that pretty much for every setup. Hashtag randomfrankdigs. Alright, now you know me by now, and you know when I saw this, I nodded my head in approval because it's got just everything I like. The wooden desk, the natural calming feel to it, enough green in there with those little plants, even going as far as to accent it with the keyboard and stuff. It's the dedication that I can always appreciate. So powering this bad boy is his ProStar Clevo laptop. Clevo. It's the N850HK1. It's got a 15.6-inch 1080p matte display. Inside's an i7 7700H QCPU with 8 gigs of RAM, a GTX 1080 Ti graphics card, and looking like a nice little RGB keyboard there as well. Has that propped up on what's like an aluminum laptop stand, but he's definitely got it all decked out here. Then for his secondary display off to the left side is his 22-inch LG monitor. Now checking out his peripherals, his mouse is a Logitech MX Master mouse, and as for his keyboard, that's the Plum Nano 75, and he has a different keycap set on there, like I said, to make it all stand out and stuff. Love the different hues of green here to match the different green in your setup, but definitely can appreciate this one here. Again, this is the Plum Nano 75. You learn something new every day. And then for audio, you can see his speakers here. These are the Mackie CR3, and then mounted up on the wall are his Boss Hi-Fi B8 headphones. The green accent in the speakers, the wooden accent in the headphones, even down to the damn poster, this dude matches. And again, not 100% certain of what his desk is, but it's definitely pretty nice looking. This is one of those setups that when I first saw, I was like, all right, we've been getting a lot of requests for these special episodes on Room Tour Project. Lots of people are asking for dedicated laptop setups. I saw this, I was like, yeah, it's minimal enough where I could fit it in something else, but I want to do a special episode based around this stuff. And so far, we've been knocking it out of the park with these good laptop setups. Again, giving you guys inspiration. That's what we do on this show. And then we have Soysundance here tying it all together. This is another one that oddly enough uses 2 laptops. We'll get into all that in a second, but first up for its display, that is a Scepter 27-inch 4K monitor here. She's got it mounted on a monitor arm with the RGB light strip behind the desk. Gets us some nice accent glow behind there. Then judging by her wallpaper there, she seems to be a fan of tennis. Fun fact, I used to play tennis in high school. Another fun fact, I was never any good. Then she's using this pluggable mini dock to get her laptop to her overall display. They're pretty affordable. Then checking out her peripherals, you have the Logitech MX Master mouse in this navy finish, which is pretty cool. Don't see that one too often. So pretty cool stuff there with the Logitech G Pro keyboard on a nice glorious extended mouse pad here. And you can see off in the corner she has the iPad Pro, which is the 12.9-inch model with the Apple Pencil. Got an Amazon Echo plus an Xbox One S controller. That's obviously going to be paired with the console here on the desktop, the Xbox One S. And then for audio, you can see there the Bluetooth speaker, which is the Harman Kardon Onyx Bluetooth speaker. Other than that, no real headset or headphones listed, so it must be just rocking it here from this Bluetooth speaker. And then back to those 2 laptops I was talking about before. First up here is the 2017 13-inch MacBook Pro. This is the one she uses for everyday work and travel. It's just the stock i5 inside with the touch bar, but she also has another MacBook Pro, which I found kind of weird because it's the same 13-inch 2017 model, and this is the one that she has plugged into the monitor to really power the overall setup. But just found it strange you would have 2 separate ones, but who am I to judge? If it works for you, it works for you. So altogether though, definitely seems like, you know, a workstation more than a dedicated gaming setup, obviously because you can't really do the gaming on the Mac. But I can appreciate your desk hack you got going on here to make the setup come to life. Alright guys, that'll wrap it up for episode 131 of Room Tour Project, this special laptop edition. I hope you all enjoyed, hope it all gave you some inspiration and ideas for your setup. Remember, check the description down below for all the gear and products you saw, as well as some simple instructions on how to submit your setup if you want to be possibly considered to be on a future episode of Room Tour Project, and also comment down below sort of like themes you want to see in future episodes. And if you like this one, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Well, I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day. When I do it, I have to get down like this so I'm in the frame. But since you're shorter, you'll be okay.
Ooh.